In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can connect and pair a remote to your Amazon Fire TV or Fire TV stick. If this guide does help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Begin by grabbing your remote and pressing and holding down on the home button for about 10 seconds. This is by far the quickest way to pair it, and in many cases it will connect right away. However, if it doesn't connect, go ahead and unplug the power from your Fire TV or your Fire TV stick, and then on the remote go ahead and press and hold down on the back button, the menu button, and the left button all together for about 15 seconds. This will reset your remote. From here, go ahead and flip the remote over and remove the batteries from the back of the remote, and then plug your Fire TV back into power and wait for it to turn on. After it's fully turned on, put the batteries back into the remote and press and hold down on the home button on the front of the remote again for about 10 seconds to try pairing it. If needed, just wait until you see a pop-up on screen about connecting the remote, and then press and hold down on that home button again to complete the pairing process. But that is it. Your remote should now be successfully paired and ready to use. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.